Hey, what's going on, everyone? We're going to go over indirect measurement. What you're going to use for this section is what you've been using. Method 3, solving by proportions, okay? Remember, also, you're going to use the cross product rule, okay? This is very important that you set up your equation the correct way, okay? So right here, we're just going to go over what I'm talking about. Remember the cross product rule. We'll just go over this real quick. Let's say your numbers are 3 and 10. All right, equals 4.5. And let's just say it's our variable's x, okay? Remember the cross product rule? We're going to take our butterfly effect, all right, multiply 3 times x, and then 10 times 4.5, which is going to give us an answer of 3x equals 45. Okay, and we're going to solve for this variable here like we know how to do by dividing by itself. Okay, and after this cancels itself out, we're going to bring the x down, and our answer is going to be 45 divided by 3 is none other than 15. Okay, so that's how we solve this way using the cross product rule. All right. So I drew up some measurements here. Okay, your indirect measurements. We're going to use this scale. Okay, and if our question is AB over ED equals BC over DC, okay, we're going to use this equation right here. All right, we're going to use this, and we're going to use these to plug in for this. Okay, so we're gonna let D equal the angle of AB, okay, which is down right here. All right, so that's what we're going to solve for. All right, so we're going to set it up correctly. All right, and you see the length is the same up here, so we're going to use 8. Okay, so our variable is going to be D. All right, over 8. All right, because the similarity that we talked about before. All right. Equals, okay, now we're looking for BC and DC, okay, which is 30, all right, there's C, and 6, okay, D and C, okay, 30 and 6, all right, we're going to make sure you set it correctly. We're going to have 30 over 6, and then we're going to use our cross product rule. We're then going to have 6D equals 240. All right. We're then going to divide 240 by 6. Okay. So D is going to equal, this is a horrible D. Excuse me. Let's try that again. D is going to equal 40. Because 240 divided by 6 is 40. Okay, so that's pretty much what you're going to do for when you're trying to solve indirect measurements. Okay, you just got to make sure you set up your equation correctly and then use the cross product rule. Okay.